is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for central and southeast Kansas. This is a test message. Until 7 p.m. this is a test message. No tornado is occurring. This is a test. You can expect tornado. This is a test. The warning was based on radar indications. This is a test. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This is a test. This is a test message.